Switching tracks, mastering English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, switch tracks. This idiom is used quite often in English, and understanding it can really help you in both everyday conversations and professional settings. Let's dive in and decode its meaning together. Switch tracks is an idiom that originates from the railway system, where a train changes its course by switching from one track to another. In everyday English, it metaphorically means to change one's focus, direction, or approach in life, a conversation, or a project. It's often used when someone shifts from one topic to another or alters their plans or ideas. 1. Changing the topic. Imagine you're in a conversation about movies, and suddenly, your friend starts talking about travel plans. They've just switched tracks from one subject to another. 2. Altering plans. If a company initially planned to launch a new product but decided to improve an existing one instead, they've switched tracks in their business strategy. In professional settings, switch tracks can be used to describe strategic changes. For example, a manager might say, "We need to switch tracks with our marketing approach to target a different audience." During a meeting, someone might suggest, "Let's switch tracks and focus on the most pressing issues first." To use this phrase correctly, remember it's typically followed by a description of the new direction or topic. For example, "I think we should switch tracks and discuss our upcoming project. After years in marketing, I switched tracks and pursued a career in education." That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, switch tracks. We hope this video has been helpful in enhancing your understanding of English idioms. Remember, idioms like these can add color and depth to your language skills. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to switch tracks in your learning journey to explore new areas of English. See you in the next video.